morning, teacher Jessica. My name is Luzano Oliva. I am from 5th grade. I study Sangabil School. I am going to talk about a very interesting animal from the sea, the sea turtle, especially the Peruvian sea turtle. Sea turtle is one of the most amazing animals in the ocean. It has one of the biggest shells in the sea. It is one of the oldest animals in the world. The Peruvian sea turtle can grow up to 1 meter long. It lives in the ocean near the coast of Peru and lays eggs on the beach. It eats jellyfish, seaweed, and small fish. In Peru, we can find sea turtle on Nulo Beach in Piura. Thank you for listening to my presentation.